Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing the Easter Bunny holding an egg. The first step we're going to take is to draw the top of the head. So let's start about here and then make a big rainbow around. That'll be the top. Now that we have that, let's start on one side and then go down and around. We're going to make the same thing over here. Go down and try to connect that line. That's the head. Now let's make the ears. Start up here, make a curve around and down like this. Now we're going to make up here a line that goes down, around, and in. There we go. I'm going to make a line that goes up and in that touches that line. And then once you have that, start kind of about here and make a line down. And then we're going to make another line down right there. There we go, an ear. Now this ear this one's floppy. This ear is going to be kind of just big and up. So let's make a big curve around and up and then come back in for that ear. There we go. Now make the same kind of curve, but a little smaller in the inside so it looks like this one. So let's start about here and go up, 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 curve around and down. We have two ears. Now let's make the rest of the body. I'm going to start about here and our little bunny's going to be sitting down. So make a curve that goes around to wherever you want the bunny to sit. I want him to sit right there. Now we're going to make the little tail. I'm going to make a big curve around and in. There's a little fluffy tail. Now the next step is to draw the feet. Let's go up, around, and then we're going to bring that line back to the first one, just like that. Now let's make a curve that goes around and in. There we go. Over here, we're going to start to form our hand and the egg. So here's one of the arms. It's just going to go around and in like that. Now the egg is going to go right between the hands. So let's go up and over. Stop where the other hand would be. And let's make a line that goes down here into the egg like that. And then our hand start at the top of the egg and then go around and in and back up. There we go. Now, if your egg isn't touching the hand or the arm, just make it touch just like this. Now let's pretend that this line goes past the hand. So I'm going to start right here and then go down and in towards the leg. There we go. I'm going to make this line just a little bit thicker. There we go. Now over here is going to be the other little foot. So I'm going to start where the hand is and then go up and around all the way down and into the egg. Let's make the same kind of curve as our first foot in this one. There's our curve. Now for our face, the bunny's face is going to be two little rainbows. One's going to be right here, just like that. And the other one's going to be right here. There we go. Now a little nose. I'm going to start by making a curve like that and then go down and then down again. We're going to make two little rainbows out. Here's one and then here's two. And then they're going to have a little line and a little line. Very nice. For the egg, you're welcome to design the pattern any way that you want. Mine's just going to be little circles inside the egg everywhere. So here's 1, 2, a circle here, just random, wherever you want your little circles to be. I'll make a half circle right there so it looks like it's going around the other side. There's our Easter bunny. Let's color him in. Here's our Easter bunny. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with a friend. I will see you next time if you subscribed. Bye!